Tell me something. Do you want to be a content creator? Do you want to make educational contents, but you're afraid of video editing? You can't think of yourself editing complicated videos because it looks really complicated from outside, but once you know about the basics of video editing, it's become simpler. So in this course, I will be teaching you the basics of video editing with Camtasia Studio. So this is the outline for the course. First thing first, we're gonna learn about the installation of the Camtasia Studio. Then we're gonna roam around the Camtasia Studio app and learn about user interfaces and all that. And then we're gonna learn about different websites that provides copyright-free videos that we could use in our contents. And then we're going to see how we can record our computer screen with the help of Camtasia Studio app. And then we're going to see how we can merge multiple videos and clip specific sections of videos and add different kind of transitions and effects to make our videos look more realistic and appealing to the users. And finally, we're going to learn about how we can export videos from a Camtasia Studio. So let me welcome you all. I'm Krish today, lecturer, Department of CSE, TEFL International University. I'll be your instructor for this course, and throughout this course, we're going to learn about the basics of or the fundamental of video editing. And you do not need any prior knowledge or anything. You just need a computer with the operating system Windows, and I will provide the software. Just install in your computer and start editing videos. And this is gonna be a lot of fun, so buckle up